So now I'll go back to my Excel it is there in the presentation. So this HIV code book. So this code book I was discussing that if you have got some framework. So if you are finding it difficult, if you see the interface of, maybe I'll close this. I'll close this too. So if so many open codes are there, can you see? Now it is difficult for me to decide to see all the codes together in one view maybe, because I have to scroll down and see, and many times it feels like a little bugging all the time, scrolling up and down and searching for the, when you have got too many, maybe if I've got 100 or 200, if it's a large project, then what you can do, the way we asked you to save your code book, you can save that code book and you can copy paste in the Excel sheet. So can you see this Excel sheet? So what I have done, I have pasted. So I pasted my codes here in that Excel sheet. And if you go down, you can see all maybe number of codes right now, it is 58. So this what I'll do. Now I have decided this category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. And then what I will do, I'll keep on cutting and pasting a particular code into a category. That way, this code will start reducing and everything will be sorted out. Okay, so manually also, I will show you how to do it manually also. That can be done manually also. But Excel is also, it is very easy. And like in this case, it is difficult to screen the CAM surgery. So maybe in category 1, I want to have this category as a maybe screening. So I have named a rough name to it. And then I can, what I'll do, I'll select it, I'll paste this here. Similarly, maybe second, I just want to paste it here in the category 2. So I'm not doing the thinking part now. Okay, thinking part has to be done by you because it will be your research project. I'm just telling you how to ease that part of making categories. So maybe if this fixed days, I can cut it and I want to put it here in the category. Sorry, just a sec. So fixed days. It is not getting, just a sec. Why it is not getting pasted? Just a sec, it did not. So I have cut it and I have pasted it. So similarly, there's a problem. You can keep on cutting a particular code and pasting in under the particular category. So it is a little bit lesser tedious than manual, and maybe it is a bit easy once you put your code. These are again not the refined code, but what is the advantage of this, that code will keep on getting reduced the moment you are cutting it and under one category. So the code will keep on getting reduced, and then at the end of maybe this exercise, you will have category. You can have some prior name of that category or similar looking thing. You can put it into the one category and then you can rename it later also. So is it clear to you? Or any confusion is there, then you may ask right now.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually it is clear, but the audio and videos are not synchronizing. That's why I cannot get you the commands.
There is no command here.
Actually, don't know. It is only for me or for all.
Okay,
videos are coming little bit later than the video.
Okay, maybe that lag, maybe that is due to the connectivity issue. But did you understand that you have to cut a particular code and paste it under that category? And I was only doing the cutting and pasting. There was no command actually. I've just created these categories. I was cutting the code and I was pasting it. It is like manually cutting. We will see, there's one girl, how she's doing it, cutting the code and Many people, they do it like that. Also, they make paper strips and they write the codes and then they sort it. So that codes under the category, you can do it on Excel also. Once you, and again, then what you can do once that Excel sheet is ready, because you want that analysis also. So for that, again, then you can go back to this QDA Miner and then you can have a printout of this. So what I did, like I did it at that time, I did it on Word document. I did some manual coding and then again I took a printout of this and then I went back and maybe we did on NVivo. So then I put a category again by edit code. So I again right click because that hard copy is there with me. So that thinking process I have already done. So now I have to enter manually that category here under that code, category or theme, whatever you say. So do you understand why we are doing this? First, let me have this idea from your side. Do you understand why we did this Excel work? Anyone? Ashwathi? Kirtana?
Yes, ma'am. So that once we finish categorizing the codes in the depending upon the category, we can come back and we can easily make that categories here, like in QDA.
Yes. Yes, but if many of you who think that you can do it directly here, it is up to you. But when I was doing, maybe I should have all the codes together. So it was, yeah, it was just to make the task easy. Otherwise, like if you have got 300 codes, then definitely it is a bit difficult on this QDA Miner. If you have got up till 70, 75, that is okay. But 300 codes doing on QDA Miner, thinking the process and writing, you need at least some thing which makes this task easy. So we found that Excel was a good option. But again, you can have your own way of doing it. Okay. So so if you are if you have understood this, then we may go to, there's one few slides on manual coding, because many of you or you don't want to use QDA or anything, then you can go for this manual coding.
Ma'am, if we categorize Excel sheets, then how can I put the in QDA Miner late? Now we have to go one by one and edit code and then we have to categorize.
No, yes, you don't have to go for all code, you have to go like that, or you can, once you categorize it, again, I told you, you can again like press this and shift this here, drag and drop. That also you can do. That is necessary here because ultimately you need part, maybe. If you are doing descriptive, you need frequency, some percentages, which we discussed yesterday about the content analysis. If you are doing thematic, you need quotes also, because in Excel, if you are doing this categorization, you don't have this quotes here. You only have the categories. So for the particular codes and that selection of the codes, it is necessary that you should have this QDA option of this analysis, where all the codes will be there in front of you, and then you can select, just copy paste that code in your manuscript. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who has got any confusion? Because once you are done with your category, you can drag and drop. This option of drag and drop it also there. This was only for the first time when you make a category, but rest of the codes you can, like, I want to put this in treatment strategy, I will just drag it and drop it in the treatment strategy. Then I don't need to go like right click and edit code. Every time you don't have to put the category like that. That is only for the first time. And the rest of the time you can just drag and drop the code to that particular category.